In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inject code in Squarespace 7.0. If you're looking to customize your site beyond what the standard templates offer, injecting custom code is a great way to achieve that extra level of personalization. So, let's dive into Squarespace and get started. First, you'll want to open Squarespace and make sure you are logged into your account. Logging in is crucial because you need administrative access to make changes to any website you own. Once you're comfortably logged in, the next step is to navigate to your homepage, the central hub of your Squarespace editing experience. Here, you'll see an array of options, but we'll be focusing on a specific path today to reach our goal. Direct your attention to the lower left-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon is the key to accessing the various websites you currently manage or own through Squarespace. After opening your profile, you'll be presented with a list of your available websites. Carefully select the website you wish to work on. This is an important step, so take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct one, as we're going to make changes that will directly impact its functionality and appearance. Once you've selected the right website, your next move is to locate the Page option. This is where we begin the deep dive into customizing your space. Within the Page section, you're going to look for an option labeled Custom Code. This section allows you to incorporate unique elements and functionalities that aren't available through Squarespace's default settings. Clicking on Custom Code will guide you to the Code Injection section. It's in this area that the magic happens. In the Code Injection interface, you're granted the option to add your personal code into the header of your site. You can think of the header as the brain of your site, managing and influencing its overall behavior. Adding code here enables you to enhance and modify the user experience considerably. Whether you're embedding a new analytics tool, integrating a third-party app, or altering design aspects, this interface provides you with the pathway to do so. Remember, as you inject code into your site, always double-check the scripts or styles you are adding. Incorrect or faulty code can disrupt your site's performance and appearance. A good practice is to test your changes in a safe environment, perhaps during lower traffic periods, to ensure everything runs smoothly without impacting your audience's experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to effectively injecting code into your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Squarespace customization journey.